Good afternoon. Welcome to J&J Primera Hotel. How may I help you?
Hi, good afternoon. I would like to check in. Is there any available room?
Yes, sir. We have various type of room available. Unfortunately, economy and standard room is fully booked at this moment, but we still have the single deluxe, which is 2,500 per night, while double deluxe is 3,000 per night, and the executive suite room is 5,000 per night. What do you have in mind, sir?
I see. Okay, I'll take the double deluxe room. May I know its amenities?
Okay, as I have mentioned earlier, double deluxe room is 3,000 per night, and it comprises complete bathroom amenities with hot and cold water, a living room, a mini ref, a private balcony, free Wi-Fi, and food is served in accordance of the time you check in. May I know how would you like the bed set up? One bed that's good for two or two single beds.
Two single bed, please.
Great, may I know your name, sir, and your contact number?
My name is Ezekiel Lauzon and my phone
Eye
number is
contact.
0981-809-817826655.
For how long would you like to stay here, sir?
My brother and I will be staying here for 3 nights and 2 days.
Okay, sir, let me repeat. You are Ezekiel Lozon with a phone number of 0981-782-6655, and you will be staying with us for 3 nights and 2 days. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, it is. By the way, do you offer shuttle service? Because my brother is now here. So I just wonder if you could, you know, for safety purposes.
Yes, sir, we do. May I know the exact time of your brother's arrival?
It's 3 p.m. He will be at the airport.
Okay, sir. Our shuttle service will be there 30 minutes ahead. May I ask what mode of payment would you prefer? Okay, sir, it would be 9,000 pesos. Here is your key card. Your room is located at the third floor. Your room number is 314. To get to your room, take the elevator to your right and press number 3. Once you arrive, turn left and your room number will be at your right side.
Okay, thanks. Here.
Mr. Rozon, I hope you enjoy staying with us. If you have any concerns, don't hesitate to call us. Just press number 1 in your telephone number provided in your room and help will be on its way. Your bags will be sent up shortly by our bellman.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.